Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome to the beginning of my savings, budgeting, and YouTube journey. I am here to represent the low-income single parents. On this channel, I am experimenting with different budgeting styles, savings goals, and I share the strategies I learn as I go. So if that sounds interesting at all to you, please go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to follow my journey. Okay, I wanted to give you guys an update on my planning progress, which is interesting. The only thing that's on here are my monthly bills, or the bills for this month. I could go ahead and actually mark that one off because that one's paid. So I put those in the different categories. I've highlighted pink for the first pay period that I'm in currently, and then yellow is for the next one, and then pink, so on and so forth. I wanted to decorate these. I did buy my stickers. I had a video I was going to show you guys of the items that I got, and then I was like, I don't know if I'm going to send these back because I kind of had some guilt after purchasing them, because I felt like I could have used it on something else, and especially because I noticed that first of all, I ruined this by putting these sticky tabs, like, so there's not many things that are gonna match with this. So far, I'm just going to use it as a functional planner, which means I'm just going to use it for the day-to-day things that I need to keep track of, because I have seen like the decorative planners and I don't think I'm going to go that route. I mean, I might do some decorating just to keep it interesting for myself, but I definitely need a functional planner to keep me on track, to keep things going. I have been testing it out and using my daily ones. Let me show you those. So this is what I've been using like for my daily planners, just for work and for home. I'm using them together. I am trying also to do it separately. So I know this is a lot going on, but I am trying different things to see what works for me. I'm trying to keep busy, and this is definitely helping. It's helping me to stay on top of all the chores I need to do, on top of meal planning. Like today, I had a lot of stuff to do, so we're just gonna pop a pizza in the oven. And I also have this meal planning notebook. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's actually for a food journal, but I just felt like it was going to be perfect for what I needed. It has like a little grocery list. I'm not going to need the weight tracker, but mostly I like that it had multiple calendars in it. So I started to fill out my meal plans for the month, and I'll do a video on that. And then I just put some groceries here, and then on this page I'm putting what items I'll need to make those meals on those days. So I really like that there were multiple calendars in here. So I'm going to keep doing that. So I already notated that I'm going to put the meals on this side, and then I'll put the ingredients for each meal to make sure that when I go to the grocery store, I have everything that I need, down to like sauces and stuff. Because I know sometimes I won't make something if I know we don't have the sauce to go with it, because we are sauce people. I also made this, I made last night. I had my daughter make one for herself too. A morning, an evening, and a night routine, just so we can kind of stay on top of things that we want to do, things we want to track, like reading and Spanish. I also have a habit tracker that I printed out. So here's the habit tracker that I printed out. Just some things I want to keep track of. Am I getting enough water? Am I taking my vitamins? Uploading to YouTube, etc., etc. So I am tracking that as well. I also have a mood tracker there too. So since I'm playing around with the different types of planners and I haven't decided what I want to do yet, I'm also trying out the idea of a dotted planner. So this is something else I got from the Dollar Tree, my favorite place other than Amazon. But it's just something I saw another YouTuber do. I'll make sure to put the name on the screen. I want to make sure I give credit wherever I can. She did something like this. Mine is a little bit different because of the things that I want to track. But I will make sure to give her credit because this is something that I saw her do. I've seen a few people do it. Me acting on it was because of what I saw her do. My nail is split. So, and these are things that I want to track here. So I think I'm going to try this for a week too before I decide which one I'm going to show you guys, my daily, weekly, or monthly. I want to make sure I've decided which one I'm going to stick with first. So this is just me over the past week or so testing different planners and notes. I did kind of like this because this is very portable as opposed to my binder here, as opposed to carrying this around. And it also is kind of more interactive because I have to go in and I have to make out the grid. So it forces me to look at my schedule coming up. What do I have planned or what I have to do? It forces me to look at this every night because I have to get the next day ready. So I also am maybe deciding if I can use this for stuff that I need to do at home, and then I'll use the binder for at work. So there's a lot of choices. There's so many options that you can use as far as planning and keeping track of what you have to do. You know, when you're a mom and you're working and you're trying to do like things like YouTube and budgeting, you want to make sure not only that you keep track of everything, but that you can look back and that you've actually acted on those things. So you'll see here already I'm off schedule. I was supposed to record a meal planning video and I haven't done that, which I will do, and researching memberships. So I did run into unfortunately some negativity when it comes to sharing my budget and some like privacy concerns. So I am sharing a lot of information. I share a lot of information. Like I don't come across too many YouTubers that are sharing everything in the budget community. Usually people hide some things, like they'll hide their mortgage or donations or their income or whatever. I'm showing everything, so I am thinking about adding memberships and keeping some of that information private, and we'll see. So that's something that I'm thinking about adding to the channel. This will definitely stay at home. This will be my meal plan, my budgeting, my YouTube notes, and brain dump. So let me go ahead and fill out some things for the rest of the week. I already have one thing called the DMV. And I'll show you what this functional looking planner will look like. And I'll also show you the stickers that I got. So I don't know how much I like this setup yet. We'll see. I am going to use it for the next few weeks. I did already put in these stickers, and then I changed the stickers for next month. That looks a lot better. These came with the book. My problem that I'm having is these colors, I feel like they're going to clash with whatever I decide to use for sticker wise. I got the 3 Happy Planner books. Let me put this to the side. They were buy 3 for the price of 2. So these are the 3 that I got. And this one, I know that I can definitely use this in the teacher planner because the color scheme is kind of the same. So I'll flip through a few of these to show you. So these I can definitely use. These are functional, you know, reminders to go grocery shopping and do errands, look on the bright side. So these are cute. I can definitely use all of these. Definitely. So that one works out. So I'll definitely be using these. Let's see what this one is. This one is the Teeny Florist Petites. That first one was, let's see, this is, I don't know what this is called. Classic sheets, classic. All right, and these are some floral design. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, I might be able to add this into October. We'll see. See, sometimes I need to just walk away from something and then try it again. Oh, these are pretty. I love these. And I like that they're like clear in the back. Look a lot more high-end than the other stickers I was using. That is gorgeous. So they're matte and shiny ones, which I like. All right, that's enough of that one. I like these. So these ended up being like a total of $10 each, but normally they're like $15 or $16. So there was a deal. It was a deal. This is the colorful animal one. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is holographic. So see, I don't think this one will go in with that. Well, some of these things I can use. I can use these. I can use these. I just need to get a little creative. These are really pretty. Oh, see, those are really basic. These are my favorites. Be nice to yourself. I need to use that one for sure. So let me know what you guys think about my planning debacle. I'm still deciding what works best for me, but I definitely need a functional planner. I cannot have a planner that is too full of stickers. My brain is already full of chaos. So I want to add some stickers, but not too many. And I did get one more book. Let me show you that one. This one's probably my favorite. So these are like girls. I love this. So pretty. I love that. Like her shirt is just flowers or weeds. I don't know what kind of flower that is, but very pretty. I love that. Very artistic. I love these. So definitely I had to get some people ones. I just had to. Like that, yes. Love. And these are butterflies, my favorite. Yeah, I definitely want to use these. And this was $10. Actually, matter of fact, I think it was like $8. It was on sale. So these are cute. Love the redhead. All right, so that's it for me today. I know this was a little bit all over the place, but you know me by now. I am still deciding, so help me out here, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would do. I am trying my hardest not to buy a different planner because I think that's actually what I need. I think I actually need like a classic size happy planner, which is like, you know, portable. I need one of those probably that's like a blank slate that I can just use. I can use that for everything, but we'll see how this works out. I'm definitely gonna take full advantage of this. I'm not allowed to order on Amazon this month. I'm not allowed. So all this month I cannot order anything from Amazon. So I went ahead and I deleted the app, but before I did, I of course looked at the happy planners. So let me know what you think about the grid dots, about the teacher planner, about the binder. What do you think is the best option? All right, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow my journey. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching and spending time with me today. Happy saving, everybody. Bye.